Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Payoneer account. Now first, go to their website, go to the pages.payoneer.com, and then click on sign up. After that, choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. In my case, I'm going to select the freelance. And then choose the amount of your monthly international payments. In my case, I'm going to choose less than $5,000. And then after that, click on the register button. And then here, you need to fill out this form. Just enter your first name, your last name, your email address, re-enter your email address, your date of birth, and then after that, click on next. Now, you have to enter your address, and then after that, your postal zip code. And then once you're done, just enter your mobile number and then the verification code that was sent to your mobile number. After that, click on next. Now, you have to enter your password, re-enter your password, choose a security question and the security answer, and then the issuing country of ID, ID type and ID number, date of issue, and then the date of expiration. And then after that, click on next. Now you have to provide your bank country, your currency, and then the bank name, and then the account holder name, and then your account number. And make sure to agree to terms and condition and pricing and fees. And then after that, click on submit. And then the Payoneer will review your application. And that's how you create your Payoneer account. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.